It's Ram Lalla's big Surya Namaskar today, Ayodhya's most awaited sunrise, Ram's Surya Tilak after 500 years. Divine Surya Tilak set to illuminate Ram Mandir. Sunlight embraces Ram Lalla's forehead on Ram Navami, a touch of divinity which is scheduled at 12:16 p.m. on Ram Navami today. 5 minutes of celestial splendor in Ayodhya. So everyone waiting with bated breath for that moment. It comes 500 years in waiting. Ram Lalla's big Surya Namaskar. It's Ayodhya's most awaited sunrise today. Ram's Surya Tilak after 500 years. Divine Surya Tilak set to illuminate Ram Mandir. Sunlight that embraces Ram Lalla's forehead on Ram Navami. A touch of divinity which is scheduled at 12:16 p.m. on Ram Navami. So that auspicious moment to come a little past noon today at 12:16 p.m. 5 minutes of celestial splendor in Ayodhya. Remember, mega preparations have been underway at the Ram Temple in Ayodhya. That idol, which in fact was the cynosure of everyone's eyes when it was revealed to everyone on the 22nd of January this year. The Surya Tilak is to happen today at 12:16 p.m. when a ray of sun will be seen on the idol, the Ram Lalla's forehead. Abhishek Mishra is joining us for more on this. Abhishek, tell us more about the preparations that are underway at the Ram Temple for this auspicious moment.
Well, absolutely, Poulami. That's going to be a very auspicious moment today at 12:07 in the afternoon. This process will begin of the Surya Abhishek of Lord Ram, and that has been practiced before as well. On the other hand, the Mandir committee and the trust has been, working continuously to make this successful. And at the same time, today it is expected that the devotees in lakhs will be coming for the darshanas, and for that, special arrangements have been made. Special flower decoration have been done, and also there are a lot of restrictions as far as the public transport is concerned. The vehicles are not allowed, and the whole area of the Ram Temple is now under the security. So that is something which is a part of it. But yes, the festivities have begun. People are waiting for that time. The anticipation is getting more and more, and that muhurta, which is of the 12 in the afternoon, is the time at Lord Ram will come, and that at what that time only the Suryabhishek will be done, which is the auspicious and a very important moment of this Navami ceremony. Yes.
Abhishek Mishra there reporting live from Ayodhya. Thank you so much for joining us. All eyes on Ram Janmabhoomi Mandir in Ayodhya today. On the occasion of Ram Navami, people from across the nation thronged to the temple town to take Ram Lalla's darshan. For the darshan, the celebrations mark the first big religious occasion after Ram Lalla's Pran Pratishtha ceremony in January. Not only this, the crowd is also in Ayodhya to witness Ram Lalla's Surya Tilak or Surya Abhishek. The sun rays will illuminate Ram Lalla's 51-inch idol at 12:16 p.m. for 5 minutes. The two trials have already taken place to ensure a smooth Surya Abhishek ceremony on Ram Navami, with the IIT team employing an apparatus with high-quality mirrors and lenses to precisely direct the sun's rays onto Ram Lalla's forehead at a specific time.
बड़ी भव्यता दिव्यता से मनाई जा रही, क्योंकि भगवान राम अपने नए भवन में स्थापित हो गए हैं, और नए भवन में स्थापित होने के कारण से बहुत ही सुंदर ढंग से ट्रस्ट ने उसकी व्यवस्था किया है। मंदिर को सजा दिया है। भगवान राम का स्नान और उसके बाद में पीले रंग के कपड़े धारण करेंगे, और जो भोग है वो 56 प्रकार के भोग लगेंगे। साथ ही साथ जो पंजीरी है 3 प्रकार की वो भी लगेगी, पंचामृत लगेगा, और विविध प्रकार के जो यह है फल हैं और मिष्ठान हैं वो सब का भोग लगेगा, और सब व्यवस्था हो गई है।
पहली बार ये प्रतिष्ठापन के बाद रामनवमी मनाया जा रहा है। हमको बुलाए गए थे ये देखने के लिए, और हमारा सौभाग्य यही दुआ करता हूँ सब पूरा देश को राम का आशीर्वाद मिले और देश राम राज जल्दी जल्दी बने।
श्री राम जन्मभूमि पर प्राण प्रतिष्ठा के उपरांत यह पहला जन्मोत्सव का कार्यक्रम होगा, जब भगवान श्री राम लला के भक्त रामनवमी उस प्रांगण में मनाएंगे जो 550 वर्षों तक जिसकी प्रतीक्षा लोग करते रहे। और आज जो है जिस प्रकार से पूरा देश आह्लादित है, प्रसन्नचित है, वह हम सबका सौभाग्य है कि संपूर्ण समाज जो है भगवान श्री राम के प्रति निष्ठावान है, समर्पित है और वह अपने लला की जन्मभूमि पर राम जन्मोत्सव के रूप में उसे मनाने के लिए लगातार जो है यहाँ पर आ रहा है।
My colleague Abhishek Mishra now explains how exactly the sun's rays will be reflected into the Garbhagriha of the Ram Mandir for Ram Lala's Surya Tilak.
In Ayodhya, the preparations are on its peak for the Navami celebration, but what is also very important is the Surya Abhishek, that important moment where the rays of sun will directly fall on the frontal side of Sri Ram Lala, and that is what a model has been developed here at the Awadh University in Ayodhya. We are showing you today on India Today a live demonstration of this whole concept, what is the principle behind, how it works, and at the same time how it has been done. So let us show you first. Let us assume that bulb is a sun. It is showing the reflection of the principle of reflection is what has been used. Now the rays are directly hitting here at this reflector. Through this concave lens, it is being concentrated and now passed on to the next mirror. Now this is the third floor of the temple, assuming that this is the third floor, and then these rays are being narrowed down onto the ground floor through a metal pipe, which is not here, but the concept is the same. Through this, again, the use of this lens, it will again be reflected on the other reflector, where the sun rays will now go through the final lens and through which it will directly hit on Ram Lala, which will be very much evident enough to understand the basic principle behind it. Now also, what is very important is that this whole has been developed as a model to understand the principle behind, and this is what is going to be a very important thing in this whole demonstration. On India Today, we have shown you the live demonstration of this, and through which it is very much evident enough how beautiful is going to be the coronation of Lord Ram on the Mahanavami here in Ayodhya, where the direct sunlight will be honoring Lord Ram on that particular time, 12 o'clock in the afternoon, when this will be very much evident enough to understand the relevance and the reference, the mythological reference, and also the sentiment of people that will be very much evident on the day in Ayodhya.
Now, ahead of Ram Navami, devotees from across the nation have arrived at Ayodhya to get a glimpse of Ram Lala today. India Today brings you this report from Ground Zero.
ये बताइए कहाँ से आए हैं?
हम पटना से आए हैं।
अच्छा, रामलला का सूर्य तिलक भी किया जाएगा, कुछ सुना है आपने उस बारे में?
हाँ, सुना है मैंने। वो मीडिया और इंटरनेट के बारे में हमने सुना है कि उनका सूर्य ये दर्शन हुआ, उसके लिए काफी उत्साह है मन में।
बहुत ज्यादा एक्साइटमेंट है। आप बताइए क्या जानते हैं? आप कह रहे हैं आपने देखा है, ट्रायल इसका हुआ था।
जो भी साइंटिफिक मतलब धर्म के साथ साथ जो भी उन्होंने विज्ञान का यूज किया हुआ है, बहुत ही भव्य। अगर हम लोग तो आंखों से देखे हुए हैं, बहुत सारे लोगों ने वहाँ पे वीडियो भी बनाया था, बट जो हमने देखा वो बता रहे हैं आपको कि ठीक एग्जैक्ट जो भी उन्होंने टेक्निक यूज की है, वो भगवान प्रभु श्री राम के रामलला के मत्थे पे एग्जैक्ट वो सूर्य की किरण जब पड़ती है तो वो दृश्य देखने वाला रहता है, बहुत मनमोहक।
वैज्ञानिक और सनातन का कॉम्बिनेशन दिया हुआ है और इसके लिए तो हमारे पास शब्द नहीं है।
एक चीज बोलना चाहेंगे, एक बार नारा लगाना चाहेंगे हम जोर से, जय श्री